Hi everyone, I just wanted to make sure that you know how to get into your Google Classroom and Seesaw. So I wanted to show you if you are a visual learner like me. First, you're going to go to your Chrome tab and just open up, a regular Google new page, and you're going to want to make sure that your child is signed in to their student account. I think this is the biggest thing that people get messed up by. So if you'll come over here, and I think it says sign in. Right now I am signed in, so I don't see that. But you want to make sure that your kids are entering in their Bullock Schools email account. Now once they are signed in, there's going to be this 9-dot waffle, and it is all of the Google apps. And so you'll click on that and you will find the Google Classroom icon and click on that. Once you are in the Google Classroom, you will see your child's different Google Classrooms. It may look different than mine. These are the two classrooms that I'm a part of. And so they'll find my classroom page and click on it, and it will take them to the stream. There are probably 3 tabs available for your child. They won't have the grades tab. And so they will want to click on this classwork tab. The stream is just to find like a little to-do list here. If there was something that I have assigned a due date that they had to do, I might put an announcement here. But the biggest tab that you're going to always want to click on is the classwork tab. You can find the link to our class website here. I will post any of our Zoom meeting recordings here. And then I also have different topics, things that you can do while we are at home. I'll post questions or little fun activities that they can complete. We also have the read alouds that I've been recording for everyone are going to be uploaded here. And then I have kept our regular topics that we visit in class all the time. They can still go to the Wonders Online and do the review games and even read their stories. There's a link for iReady and also Seesaw and Get Epic, just the things that we would normally do. And if they want to explore other things, they are still on our classroom site. So speaking of Seesaw, let me show you how to get there. So I just clicked on a new tab, and you're going to want to go to app seesaw.me. Now this is an app that you can actually download on any of your devices, but if you're on the computer, you would type in app.seesaw.me, and it will pull up their Seesaw journal, and they can press this green button and add any kind of work. They can take a picture of something that they've done around the house that they're proud of. They can draw something with text and stamps. They can even narrate on top of it with their voice. They can take a video of something that they're doing at the house that they want to share. You can upload any photo, file, video, anything really from your computer or Google Drive that they're proud of and they want to share, and type a note or send me to a link that they have found that they really like. So that's something that they can add to their journal, and if you just scroll down, you can see what your child has been up to in class too. A lot of students have read books in the class and recorded their voice reading it online if you want to check it out. Another part of Seesaw is the activities page. Right now I'm showing you the journal page. If you click on the activities page, it shows you activities that I have assigned that the kids can read through the directions and then press this plus button down here below the activity to upload their response in their journal. So I highly encourage you to check out Seesaw and Google Classroom while you are at home. Just thought this tutorial would help. Have a good day.